Hello everyone, let's study about free fall, which is an example of constant acceleration. Here is the frame of reference where the body will fall freely on this scale along y-axis. So y coordinate of the body will change when the body will fall freely on this setup as shown there. This is the setup for the journey of 5 seconds, and here it is a prototype setup where 0 is marked on the top and 4.9 meter is marked hypothetically, and this purple ball is falling down. This is the prototype model where the ball is falling and the 5-second journey of the ball is shown. If the size of the ball is changed, even then the journey will remain same. In the 1 second, it travels 4.9 meter. In second second, it travels 19.6 meter. In third second, it travels 44.1 meter. And in 4 seconds, it travels 78.4 meter. And in 5 seconds, it travels 122.5 meter. And velocity increases by 9.8 in each second. Here is the position time graph and its importance. Position time graph shows the position of the particle with time. See here, when we draw the graph, it would be a YT graph because Y coordinate is changing. Here, in every second, position is changing in such a way that graph is in the parabolic shape. The slope of the graph is increasing in every second, which means the velocity is increasing, and the change in velocity is 9.8 meter per second in free fall, and this is a positive acceleration which is 9.8 meter per second square, which is present on earth. And we can calculate the value of this acceleration by using velocity time graph. Let's study the velocity time graph and find the value of acceleration. Here is the velocity time graph. It shows in every second the velocity is increasing by 9.8 meter per second, and the slope of this graph is same at every point, which shows that acceleration is constant, and that is 9.8 meter per second square. That is been calculated by finding the slope of this graph, which is perpendicular upon base, and the slope is coming out to be 9.8 meter per second square. So this is an example of constant acceleration, which is also known as uniform acceleration, and this motion is called uniformly accelerated motion. So, uniformly accelerated motion means constant acceleration, which is only there in the condition of free fall, where the object is being attracted towards the earth, and the acceleration is 9.8 meter per second square, which is constant acceleration. So, here in the velocity time graph, we have studied the change in velocity with time. Thank you.